In this video, we are going to discuss about serial advanced attachment bus. In early days of the personal computer, the bus of a popular IBM computer which is called as AT, which was based on the Intel 8086 8088T microprocessor bus. It becomes an industrial standard. Therefore, it is named as ISA, Industrial Standard Architecture. So the enhanced version is nothing but your ATA. That is, it is a definition of basic software which is needed to support the disk drivers. Okay, so the serial version of the same architecture is known as SATA. So it is used for an interface between the CPU and the memory disks like HDD, STD. Okay, so several versions of the SATAs are available, like mentioned in this video. It is very less noise compared to the SATA, which is parallel advanced technology attachment, which is an older version. So the different version of SATA is SATA 1, which transmits the data in 1.5 gigabits per second. SATA 2, 3 gigabits per second, and SATA 3, 6 gigabits per second. So the SATA controller, which controls the communication between the CPU and the storage devices. We can remove and connect it even when the power is off with the help of the OS. Okay. And it consumes very less power compared to the SATA. So it consists of 15 pins. 15 pins is for power supply, which ranges. It consists of either you can use 3.3 volt, 5 volt, etc. And 7 pin is for and a data transfer. So it's connecting a 2 twisted pairs and 3 ground wires. Okay, so the differential transmission is used here. The clock frequency ranges from 1.5 to 6 gigabits per second. So the recent version, they used to provide isochronous transmission in order to support the audio and video devices. So other version of the serial implementation is SCSI. Okay, serially attached SCSI. Okay, it is primarily intended for connecting the magnetic disk and CD and DVD drives. Okay, so it is similar to that of SATA, but the transferring speed is 12 gigabits per second. So it is organized into 4 layers. One is application layer, transport layer, link layer, and physical layers, which is similar to that of my OS layers. Like, so this is my motherboard, and you can see there is a SATA 2 ports connected. So there are 3 ports, right? And this is how the 15 pin SATA interfaces cable will look like. In addition to that one, I have shown you the USB to 9 pin interface. For that one, I have already made one video. So if you want, you can check the other videos in the digital principle and computer organization lecture. So if you like the video, kindly press the like button and the subscribe button also. The application of SATA is it is used in the desktop computers and it is used in the industrial and embedded application also.